Hi, I got a question today about perpendicular and parallel slopes of lines. So we're going to remember what a line actually is. So if you remember, our equation for a line is y equals mx plus b. Our m is our slope. Which also equals y divided by x. Okay, and our b in this equation is our y-intercept. Otherwise known as anywhere on this x-axis here is where your y-intercepts, or on the y-axis here when x is 0. Okay, your b is where it crosses this line. Other things to remember, if it's parallel, our slope is going to be the same. If it's perpendicular, our slope is going to be the reciprocal, so 1 divided by m. And it's also going to be the negative reciprocal. Okay, so those are the things we're going to look at. Y equals mx plus b. Our m is our slope. Our slope is y over x. Our y-intercept is our b. If it's parallel, our slopes are the same. Our m's in this equation are the same. If it's perpendicular, it's 1 over m negative, or the opposite, 1 over m. So let's go ahead and come up with an example. Okay, so let's put in here y equals 3x. Okay. Let's see if we can't, oops. Let's see if we can't blow this up a little bit. So then, okay. Alright, so we have the equation. Where did our equation go? There it is. Okay. So we have the equation y equals 3x. So we have no b here, right? Our b is 0. So we're going through 0, 0. And y equals 3x, that means we have a slope of 3. Okay, so that means it's 3 over 1. So our y is going up 3, and we're going over 1, up 3. Okay, so we're going to go over 1, up 3, our slope is 3. Let's try a line parallel to that. So if it's parallel, we have to have the same slope. Okay, so we have to have the same m. So we got y equals 3m. We can put anything in for b, so let's go 2. Ooh. y equals 3m plus 2. Let's give this 3m1. Okay. Oh, why not put an m? That's why. Y equals 3x plus, there we go, plus 2. Now we got it. I'm going to go ahead and delete this one. Okay, so y equals 3x plus 3x plus 2. Okay, so now we have the same equation. Our 3x and our 3x, our m is the same, so they're parallel, and we're going through our b-intercept, or y-intercept of a positive 2. Okay, if they're parallel, these lines are never going to cross. They have the same slope. So we can go ahead and check that out. From my y-intercept, I have a slope of 3, so I'm going over 1 up 3. Sort of get that in the screen there. Okay. So let's try to find one perpendicular to our normal line. We have y equals 3x. We want to come up with a perpendicular line. We're going to go the opposite of 1 over m. So our m in this case is 3. So we're going to go y equals the opposite reciprocal of 3. So negative 1 divided by 3, x plus 0. Okay. We have this line right here. As you can see, it goes right through the 0, 0. Goes right through. You notice it's also perpendicular to this line. Okay, since these two lines are parallel, this is going to stay perpendicular. So we can check our slope. It's not so easy to see. Let's go ahead and double check to see that this angle is perpendicular, so that it is 90 degrees. I'm going to need to put some points in here. Okay. So that's the last thing we're going to check to make sure that they are 90 degrees.
Oh my god!
90.1. Let's see. There we go. Let me try from this spot. So I'm going to go H, A, B, 270. Okay, I need to undo. Okay, I need a better spot. Let's put a point. C is at 1,3. That's a good point. And D is on the line, so that works. Okay. So I'm going to go B, A, D, and I have a right angle. Alright, that means this line is perpendicular to this line. Okay. Let's try it the other way. I'm going to go C, B, A, and I have another right angle. It's perpendicular. So these two lines we already knew were parallel, and now they are both perpendicular to line J. So we have a perpendicular slope, because m equals the opposite of 1 over m, and remember our parallel is m equals m. Thank you. Bye.